SpaceX now is trying to save some money and reuse some of these boosters. So they were able to take the booster, shoot it up there to get their payload into space, and then bring the booster back.
3, 2, 1. We have liftoff.
Wow. I don't know about you, but we're losing our stuff up here.
Wow. I mean, it sounded like a soccer match, didn't it?
That is some dorky happiness right there.
Isn't that crazy?
Where were they watching this?
This was a... Oh, wow. We're talking about a great moment in space. Virginia gave me a snore.
I'm just kidding.
It's good, though.